I'm Torrance Williams and I'm the Partnerships Manager for PICO. And we're here with Dan Smith from Kolver.
We have our K-Deucer system in my top left-hand corner of the booth, and Torrance is going to be kind enough to show the connectivity between the PICO and the K-Deucer system.
The goal here is to be able to make things a lot easier when it comes to error proofing and when it comes to connecting that operator with the entire ecosystem of their plant. We'll interact with the screen here to go ahead and pull up what we're going to build, and then we're going to start to build it. First thing we got here is this is going to tell me that we're going to have to grab this serial number sticker. So now we have to scan the serial number so I can pick up this barcode scanner. It's going to give me a green check mark, and then it's waiting for this to go into the fixture. So once it goes into the fixture and we get an auto advance here on the screen, they can just build and they can go. We'll go ahead and grab this one here, make sure that we get it popped in the correct spot, and then we're going to take a barcode scan, and then we're going to go ahead and use the Kolver driver here. And we'll press and hold. So we already have torque and angle, which is incredibly important for traceability and also for our customers.
Torque and angle is one of the big safety measures in fastening technology. What it's going to help you to achieve is reduction in cross-threaded and strip screws. And when you're seeing that torque and angle being met, both measurements, that's when the PICO system receives the Kolver data stream and is able to move forward to the next step.
And so now we're looking for a count of 2. So as soon as I pop this second one in here, the screen's going to auto advance and move on to the next step. And so for this one, this is where we're going to be looking for 4. Let's go ahead and grab this next piece. We've got 1 of 4 in there already. And the cool thing about this is also know that you can't move forward in the program until all the work has been completed. So I can't tap the screen to move forward until all the work has been done. All right, so we got the last one on there. So PICO, we can connect with the other devices that a customer may have. We can automatically connect to it and give your customer the ability to have all of that data and information automatically captured in one place. So go ahead and hit this foot pedal here, which is going to take a photo for a quality check. We can then also check this image, hit that confirm button, and the last piece that we're going to do here is going to be weigh it. As soon as it's got its piece, we'll also hit this foot pedal. And now the mass of the trinket is also logged to this build for traceability. And just like that, we're done. And so this is the back end of PICO. This is really the gold of what we're capturing while we go through these demos. The ability to tell you who built what, where, when, and how long it took them. So through every single one of these builds, we've got operator traceability, we've got time and date stamps, notes that operators may leave, and then also the status of all of these builds across all of your workstations, across your entire plant. Logging the version of the work instructions used, and then here are all the cycle times. And obviously the gold here with Kolver or any other portion that you're looking at trying to ensure a critical process or a critical step is actually followed, is being able to have these green check marks here and to be able to go back and say, hey, I definitely got my 2 torques here. Here's my torque, here's my angle, and we know that it passed. And if there is an issue, being able to look back at a red flag and being able to dive into it and understanding what failed and then trying to get into root cause analysis.